Breast size is determined by a combination of genetics, lifestyle, and body weight. If you are interested in increasing your bust size without surgery, your options are limited. Be wary of supplements, herbs, creams, enlargement pumps, and massagers that are advertised as natural remedies. There is no evidence that these are effective. Exercises that focus on the pectorals, back, and shoulder muscles can help to firm and tone the chest muscles behind your breast tissues and improve your posture. You can do these 7 exercises at home with weights, cans of foods, or a water bottle filled with sand or rocks. Ensure that you are using proper technique to get the best results and avoid injury. Number 1. Wall presses. Stand in front of a wall and press your palms flat against at the same height as your chest. Slowly and with control move forward until your head nearly touches the wall. Return to the original position and repeat 10 to 15 times. Arm circles. Extend your arms out to the side at shoulder level. Slowly make small circles backward for 1 minute. Now make small circles towards for 1 minute. Then pulse your arms up and down using a small range of motion for 1 minute. Repeat 1 or 2 times with a break in between. You can add small weights to these exercises to make it more advanced. Arm pressers. Sit or stand with your hands extended in front of your chest with your palms together. Open your arms until they are behind your back and make a back bend. Bring your arms back together. Do this for 1 minute. Use weights or a resistance band to make it more difficult. Number 4. Prayer pose. Keep your arms extended and press your palms together for 30 seconds. Bend your elbows at 90 degrees and press your palms in toward each other in front of your chest in prayer pose for 10 seconds and release. Repeat this 15 times. Horizontal chest press. Extend your arms in front of your body and bend them at the 90-degree angle. Open your arms as wide as they will go and bring them together again. Do this for 1 minute. Rest at the end of all these exercises and repeat at least once more. Number 5. Chest press extensions. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and bring your hands up so they are in line with your shoulders. Keep your elbows bent. Slowly straighten your arms and extend in front of you. You may wish to extend one arm at a time. Then bring your hand back to your shoulders and slowly lower your wrist down. Keep your elbows in at your body and make the movement slow and controlled. Do 3 sets of 12. Number 6. Modified push-ups. Lie on the ground and put your palms on the outside of your chest. Push your body all the way up until your arms are almost straight, but keep a slight bend in your elbows. Slowly lower your body back down using controlled resistance. Keep your elbows in at your sides. Do 3 sets of 12. The takeaway. You may wish to combine a few of the home remedies for best results. Don't expect to see immediate results and remember that the difference may be modest. Take into consideration that the size of your breast can change depending on where you are in your menstrual cycle. Look for small signs of improvement instead of dramatic results.